Hey guys, so there's a thunderstorm blowing through right now, so I'm gonna get a video of it. Oh shoot, it's starting to rain. Like actually like raining. Here's the area's chime. The winds are starting to pick up. Oh shoot, that tree is swaying over there.
But we're packed. Our house is about to get swept up.
For real? I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the TV off because I want the receiver.
Oh shoot! Oh my gosh!
Alright, there we go, the receiver.
Oh, that's a big wind gust.
Lord have mercy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm here some rain. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we're fine. Tornado coming.
I don't think it's probably not gonna be a very big
Sweep out
thunderstorm.
all of us.
I would hope. I don't think it's gonna be a very big thunderstorm. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. Who knows? Who does know?
Hey, to fit the vibe, I'm gonna go. In Austin, Texas. So we're going somewhere in Austin, Texas. Yo, I'm just allowed to talk. 2 seconds.
Whoa. Oh shoot! Look at this wind gust. Oh my gosh. Yo. That was a huge. Brother, you had to turn that on at this time.
Vibe, bro. Alright, for 2 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2.
Bro. You gotta be kidding me. You had to turn that on. This ain't a severe thunderstorm. Maybe, I hope it's not a severe thunderstorm. The winds are... That ain't even our county, bro. Like, be so for real.
We're fine.
Bro, the look on your face. Oh my gosh.
Like when the lights are on and like JC like lived in them and like bounced and then lost his fingers or something like that. Yeah, I was like on there and then just like
There's the Woodstock Gregorian baritone chime.
yeah!
Bro, oh my gosh. Jude, there's a huge wind gust.
I don't care.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
It stopped raining.
Guys, come on. You need to come.
What?
You need to come in the bedroom.
Yo, what?
Just hurry.
It's literally freaking raining.
Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh.
Where are you going, bro? Where are we going? I don't know. What are we doing? Here, let's go out to the barn. Go to the barn. Oh my god! Go to the bar. Oh my gosh. We're at the bar now. Oh my gosh, bro. It's really midnight. Oh my god.
No, will you give me a lap dance on this? What are you guys trying to do?
I don't know. They just ran out here, bro.
Guys, somebody turn on the lights.
What are you guys trying to do? No, don't turn on the light.
I'm not. Bro. Don't turn the...
Don't turn on that one.
Turn that light off, bro.
I think we should just go.
He's not in here. It's still raining. The wind stopped. And now it's only sprinkling. Or did the wind stop? It's actually a good question. Did the wind stop? Yes, it did. Kind of. It's still like a tad bit windy, but not as bad. But, yeah.
Pack your year with all in us at Texas' biggest and best price. See what we're
Yo. Give me. Hold up. Yo.
So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's all the really thunderstorm. It's already kind of over. So, yeah, thanks for watching.